Okay, move them forward, open section 4.
Section 4 clear, closing behind them now. All right, guide them into the main chute. Open gate 4.
Gate 4 is cycling now. Looks clear.
Confirmed, all secured.
All right, team, ensure the conveyors are fully sanitized before sign off.
I need eyes on the floor drains immediately.
Platform engaged. Check vitals.
All parameters stable. Moving to station 2.
Secure the front straps.
Engaging hydraulics now.
Clear on the left side. Keep coming straight back. You're clear on the left. That's good right there. Set it down.
We need this shipment on the prioritized truck now.
Copy that. Confirmed and secured.
Pallet 22 needs to be rerouted to loading bay 5.
Confirmed. Adjusting the flow now.
reroute the oversized pallets to dock 7 immediately.
Confirmed. The manifest looks clear for the next shift.
Okay, that's the last pallet for the downtown route.
All right, manifest signed. See you tomorrow.
All right, Route 3 is loaded.
Got it. See you this afternoon.
Bay 4 is clear. Bring in the next load.
Copy that. Rolling now.
Unit 45, clear the bay.
Copy that. Moving to gate 3.
Manifest confirmed. You are good to go.
Where is the latest crate from the automated arm?
It's being routed to the elevator now. Location confirmed on the manifest.
Ensure the hinges are secured properly at Station 3.
The robot calibrated correctly this time.
Pallet 72 is ready for pickup.
Acknowledged. Sending the next batch now.
Watch the line. Move it quickly. Okay, got it. Heads up on the left.
Thank you, gentlemen. It's beautiful.
A pleasure doing business with you, sir.
We'll be in touch regarding the customization. Thank you so much for your purchase, sir.
We hope you enjoy it.
I appreciate the help. Have a great day.
Your bag, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. The craftsmanship is incredible.
Here is the exquisite crocodile handbag you selected, madam. It truly is a stunning piece.
It's absolutely perfect. The craftsmanship is superb.
Keep the next pallet ready.
This one is secured. Move to dock 3.
Bay 3, clear to load. Confirm manifest for the Crocodile shipment.
Manifest confirmed. Moving to Bay 4.
Gate sequence initiated for Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. Data log updated.
This visualization shows a clear uptick in Q3 engagement.
Yes, the conversion rates align perfectly with the updated workflow.
The conversion rates on this cohort are significantly higher than Q3.
Yes, the adjustments to the workflow clearly paid off.
The finish on the leather is exceptional.
It truly is a remarkable piece. Shall I have it prepared for you?
The emerald crocodile is truly exquisite this season. Notice the flawless clasp.
It is stunning. The texture is incredible. The sensor reading on line 3 is fluctuating slightly outside the acceptable range.
I see that. Let me check the calibration on the control panel now.
Here is your new briefcase, sir. We hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much. It's exquisite.
Here is your new crocodile tote, sir.
It's exquisite. Thank you so much.
Keep the line moving. Faster. Clear. Next batch ready.